All right, so we just cleaned the sides of this garage since it was a mess. Got it laid out here. A couple of boxes, a couple of cans I got to put in the other garage, so got to organize that later. What I want to do right now is what you're seeing in the screen, on the screen right now. What you're seeing on the screen right now is what I'm going to be doing. I'm gonna try and start this car today. She has been dismantled since October when I took this official genuine Weber 3236 to try onto the 510 located down there somewhere, the green car, the 510, thinking it was a carburetor issue with the new carburetor, but it actually wasn't. It was a distributor issue. So I put back the new one, and the old one's been sitting here laying on the car for, you know, for the time being, you know, since October. So now we want to try and put that back on, have everything, you know, together, have everything organized before the summer. So I'm gonna try and concentrate here. Don't remember how I connected it, but it's basically simple. You know, a couple of wires, a couple of linkages, nothing too hard to figure out. You know, the base is over here, everything's connected. Don't need to check this out. They usually tend to get loose over here. So if you really wanted to check it out, you could. So there's that. So we're gonna be putting this on today. I'm not gonna be recording every step because I gotta figure out where everything is. The gaskets, the screws, which is over here, I believe. So I want to get all my tools ready so I can do this quick. Got a gasket here. Got the screws here. One washer. So the other washer's got to be somewhere. Okay. Got a spring. Don't know where this is from. Trying to figure that out. Okay. Nothing around here. No, nothing here. You got the spring here for this one. That didn't work. You got this one. Goes here like this. So that's okay. I'm missing some washers. No big deal. Gotta be located somewhere. All right. So there, the screws are missing. I mean the little washers, but no big deal. Not gonna stop me from putting that on. It's not nowhere here. Okay. Let me drop this camera so I could get all my tools going. You know, wrenches only. So, all right. Enough chit chat. Next. All right, are we on? Yeah, I think we're on. All right. So right now we just installed the carburetor on the car. Very simple. Put back the 4 bolts that were missing. Put back the gas line, as you see in the front of the screen. Put back the bracketry. I lost the bracket, but I found it in my bus. So I'm done with that. As you can see, you got your little golden cable holder here. Sorry for the terminology. I'm going real quick with these videos. So I put that back, the bracket that holds the linkage cable, the 4 bolts with the little washers appropriate. The spring came out loose, but I put it back where it should be. But I already found the original lever, so I put this back on the car. So it should be all okay. The spring I gotta put back over here, so it should hold, but it doesn't interfere me from starting the car. But so I could start it like that in no time, and then just to get it warmed up and see how she runs. After that, I could always put a spring later. So that's it on the carb. Put it back on. Now I just gotta make sure all the cables are all connected. Make sure the spark plugs are all clean. So I'm gonna go check that out. check all the cables, connections. I'm gonna check all the connections, clean out all the spark plugs, make sure they're gapped at the appropriate gapping, and we should be good to go. We should be able to fire it up. Start cleaning the fire base since it was dusty, but still looks a little crappy, but ratty. But yeah, it's temporary. At least you're seeing it before, and then after, when my dad touches this car, you know, we're gonna eliminate most of all these wiring, trying to keep it all clean and very simplified, you know, because you don't need that many wirings on the corner here or everywhere like spaghetti, like the way it looks right now. All right, let me just adjust this camera. All right, so we're gonna start this car right now. I'll leave this over here. It's gonna sound nasty at the moment since it doesn't have an exhaust. It's just a straight pipe running through the center. So yeah, I guess we are done. There's no way to control put back the pedal where it is. I don't know, the adjustment has water, oil. Timings should be okay. Nothing around the fan. The screws are put back. The gas lines put back. Nothing wrong with the gas lines. All I gotta do is plug a battery, let it crank, and we should be good to go. Okay. Got a bucket of water over there, in case. Alright, so we gotta put that there like this. Okay. Alright. Well, no joke. This thing is parked, right? Okay. I don't have a flashlight. Sounds loud to me. Sounds loud to me. That's full of gas. So we're all good. It's gonna need a little help, so I might need to spray with a little bit of starting fluid. Let's see. Not really a fan of this, but we needed to get kicking going. So I'm gonna do this thing right there, like that, and 1, 2, 3. That's too loud. That works, but I gotta adjust the speed of that. All right. Adjust the IO. Sounds nasty. Wait, what's going on here? Yo, what the hell's with the smoke? What am I burning here? Can't be that much. Where's that coming from? Some of the vapors from the water system? Don't worry, it's not on that much. What's with the smoke? What's with the smoke coming out of here? Okay. Everything seems to be good. Nothing burning alive. Nothing overheating. Everything seems to be good. Guess it's just those. Nothing there. Alright. Let's see how can I adjust this to keep it more quiet, even though it's not even all the way. That's the thing. That's the funny thing. Keep that open. Okay, so there's no adjustments there. The only adjustment I could do is the mouth right here, the choke, which isn't connected, by the way. And if I want it open, let's see. I got it. Damn, I should have loosened that one first. Something like that. I leave that open a little bit so I have some control. Loosen that one, loosen this one. Okay, loosen that one. Alright. Can't put this camera here because it's gonna shake like crazy. So I'm gonna put it right down here. That's a good angle. Okay, so leave this open right here. Man, it's loud and aggressive. Damn. Too aggressive. What the hell? Alright. There goes. Disconnect the cable as I adjust it. Okay. There you go. That's all the way down. We disconnected the linkage.